Hi everyone, my name is Mir Zelpi Araula, taking up Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, major in Home Economics. So for today's video, I am going to identify the parts of my mini portable sewing machine, and I will teach you how to thread this. Now, I was able to purchase this mini portable sewing machine for a very affordable price for only 410 pesos online. So, if you want to have this mini portable sewing machine, just look online and you can find this one. Now, I will start identifying the parts of this mini portable sewing machine. Now, let's start on the side, this back part. This one here is what we call the DC power port. Now, this is where you insert or plug in your power supply. And this one here is the foot pedal port. And this is where you plug in your foot pedal. So this is the one. So this is for the power supply, insert here. And for your foot pedal, to this one also. So that's it. Now let's move on to this side. This is what we call the hand wheel. The hand wheel, this one. This is the hand wheel helps you to move the sewing machine needle up and down. And this one here is what we call the small bobbin winder spool. And then on this side is the on and off switch. So you can use this on and off switch if you are not using the foot pedal. Okay? And this one right here is what we call the speed button. We have H right here and we have L, which means high for H and low for letter L. So this sets the speed of sewing and you can continuously sew at two speed, high and low. So right here is the apple thread bobbin. This thread makes the stitches on top of your fabric as you sew. This one is the first thread guide, and this one is what we call the tension screw or thread tension screw. This keeps the stitching thread to be kept in order to get smooth on your stitches. Okay? And this one right here is the silver shaft. This moves up and down as you sew. And then this little thing right here, you can pull this up right like that. So that is what we call a hidden spindle. This is a clever little spindle which is used to wind the bobbin. Okay? Now, so next, here in the lower part, as you slide this plate, you can see here below the bobbin, the bottom thread bobbin. This thread makes the stitches below your fabric as you sew. Now let's put this back. Now in the back ports, we can see this take up lever. So this take up lever lift and lower the silver foot. Okay, so like that. Now here you can see the presser foot. This one, the presser foot. This presses the fabric firmly down onto the base plate of the sewing machine so that your fabric will not move as you sew. Now, this foot pedal right here, this one, this is used to operate your sewing machine with your foot. So you just have to press it for on and off, like that. You know what's amazing with this mini portable sewing machine is that this is operated, can be operated in two ways. So first is using battery. So right here underneath, you can see here a space for battery. So it can be operated through battery or by using electricity. So using this power, just plug in directly to the electricity or current. So that is all about this one, and let's move on how to thread this portable sewing machine. Hello, so at this moment I will show to you how to thread this mini portable sewing machine. Okay, so first is you pull this bobbin pin here and don't lose this spring. Now get your bobbin spool thread, this one, insert this in your bobbin pin and then followed by the spring, and then now insert it back and push it in. Okay, see, that's right. Now is pass it through this first thread guide. You have to pass it from right to left, okay? From right to left. Okay, that's okay, that one. Now pull a little more and then pass this thread to this tension disc. Okay, to the tension disc, and then pass it again to this another thread guide right here. Okay, from right to left again. Okay, next is to the take up lever right here. This one, I will use the hand wheel to take it up, this one. Insert again the thread from right to left, that one. Okay, and then yes, that's right, here. Next is we have another thread guide here in the lower part. As you can see, pass the thread there to the next thread guide right here from top to bottom. Okay, like that. Now we can see another thread guide right here. It's on top of the needle bar, this hole right here. Pass again this thread from top to bottom. Okay, from top to bottom. Okay, like that. Okay, from top to bottom. So finally, we have to insert this thread to the needle. So to easily insert that, just use this needle threader. So pass it through the needle. Like that. And then insert the needle to the needle threader. Okay, like that. And just pull the needle threader. Okay, now it is done. So that's very easy. The steps are very easy on how to thread this mini portable sewing machine. So I hope you enjoy the simple steps on how to thread this mini portable sewing machine. Thank you very much for watching.
sa'kin masasaktan ka pa. Kahit na maghintay, lahat aking ibibigay. Oh, pag-ibig ko'y tunay, walang hanap bukod lamang sa'yo. Puso'y sumasamo, sana'y ako ang iyong mahalin, lambingin ka.